So yeah, I think the word that I come back to a lot is versatility
Right.
with multiple choice questions. They offer a lot of, certainly a child or a student can see a multiple choice question and choose A or choose B or choose C or choose D and put very little thought into it, right? And that's obviously one of the weaknesses there is that it does allow for some guessing.
Yeah.
And that's something you've really got to point out with your students and something that I do. But they're so versatile in how you can use them. And they allow for, I'll say, more cognition than a typical question. I understand kind of the argument of just give them a fill in the blank answer and no multiple choice. And if they can answer it, great. And if not, then they know they don't know it. And that is true.
Yeah.
But some students need that retrieval cue, right? To help them to pull up the context of where they learned that and to help them to recall it themselves or to recognize it.